The question is, if fx equals 36 raised to the power x minus 9 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x plus 1 whole divided by root 2 minus under root 1 plus cos x when x is not equal to 0 and f0 is given as k. Further, it says it is continuous at x and we have to get the value of x. Sorry, we have to get the value of k. So since the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, we'll be finding the limit of this function at x tends to 0 and then equate with f0. The first thing we are going to do is to factorize the numerator separately here. Like say I can write 36. I can write 36 in terms of 4 and 9, that is 9 into 4 only. So this is 9 raised to the power x into 4 raised to the power x. I mean 36 raised to the power x minus 9 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x plus 1. So we have 9 raised to the power x common, that results to give 4 raised to the power x minus 1. Taking minus 1 common, we get again 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is 4 raised to the power x minus 1 and this is 9 raised to the power x minus 1. Okay, that's for the numerator. So limit h tends to, this is x not h, x tends to 0. This numerator is 4 raised to the power x minus 1 and this is 9 raised to the power x minus 1. And for the denominator part, clearly we'll be rationalizing. So we have this as 1 plus cos x. The rationalizing factor will be what? Changing the middle sign from minus to plus 1 plus cos x, that whole divided by root 2 plus 1 plus cos x. Now we'll keep the numerator as it is. 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is 9 raised to the power x minus 1. That multiplied by root 2 plus whole under root 1 plus cos x. And for the denominator, it is 2, right? Root 2 square is 2 and 2 minus square of this. So this is minus 1 minus cos x. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So I can write this as what? I can write this as 1 minus cos x. What you can write 1 minus cos x? 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. So let's do it here only. 2 sine square x by 2. So we have limit x tends to 0. Well, the idea here is we are going to apply this thing, that is limit x tends to 0. A raised to the power x minus 1 over x is what? Log a. So we have limit x tends to 0 and this is 4 raised to the power x minus 1 over x, that multiplied by 9 raised to the power x minus 1 over x, and we can place the limit here in the next step, so keeping it as it is, and that whole divided by, this is 2 times sine square x by 2, and here I am dividing it by x by 2 whole square, multiplying this with 1 by 4. Now for further simplification, as I said, we are going to apply these standard limits. So applying limit over here, this is what? A raised to the log a, right? This is log 4 into, this is log 9. And placing the limit over here is what? This is root 2. Cos 0 is what? 1. So it is 1 plus 1, that is root 2 again. That whole divided by, this is 1 by 2. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is what? 1. This is how much? Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. This is 2 times root 2. And this is divided by half, same as multiplying by 2 in the numerator. This is log 4 into log 9. So I can see that we can further simplify it. This is how much? This is 4 root 2. And this log, I can write this as what? Can I write this as 2 raised to the power 2? 4 as 2 raised to the power 2. Further, I can write, similarly, this we can write as 2 log 3. So this will be equal to, since f0 is equal to k and it is continuous, so we can equate this with k. So that result to give you the value of k. So what is k? 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, that is 16. 16 times root 2 log 2 into log 3. And that should be the answer.